My dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. I am Rohit Sarkar, your English teacher. You are welcome to my English class, class 10. Today's lesson is Unit 5, Nature and Environment. Lesson 5, a friend of the earth. Do you understand? Who is friend and who is enemy? A friend is always helpful and enemy is always harmful. Now come to the lesson. A friend of the earth. That means a person who is always helpful of the earth. Now look at the picture. Here is a picture. The picture is about reduce, reuse and recycle. That means reduce, that means ক্রমহ্রাসমান বা কম, রিউজ দ্যাট মিন্স পুনর্ব্যবহার, রিসাইকেল বারবার ব্যবহার। Now here is some questions for you. Do you throw away empty cans and bottles? That means after using something such as cans and bottles, do you throw away? The probable answer is normally yes, we throw away empty cans and bottles. What do you do with your old newspaper? After reading our daily newspaper, we sell the old newspaper to the shop. Number 3, what happens to the garbage after you throw it away? What happens after using these things? We normally throw it away in the garbage and it smells bad things and it pollutes the environment. So we should not throw away it in the garbage. Now stage B, read the following text carefully to know about how we can save our environment. Our environment where we live, if the environment pollutes, we cannot live properly or easily. So we should save our environment. Now let's save our planet. Now save our planet, that means আমাদের গ্রহটাকে মুক্ত করতে হবে বা রক্ষা করতে হবে। Everyone must play a part in protecting the environment. For protecting the environment, every person of the society must do something for saving the environment. There are many things you can do on your own every day to help save the planet. Here are some suggestions. Here are some suggestions for saving our planet. Number one is reduce. That means decreasing something, ক্রমহ্রাসমান বা কমিয়ে আনা। Really the best things you can do for the planet is to use it resources properly. We should use the resources in proper way. সঠিক উপায়ে কোনো কিছু ব্যবহার করা, অযথা ব্যবহার করা নহে। Our consumer society is mainly responsible for the environmental crisis. Our consumer society, that means royal society or high thinking society or luxurious living society is mainly responsible for the environment crisis. Here are some questions you can ask yourself before buying something. When you want to buy something, you must think if you need or if you do not need. If you have need, you may buy this thing, and if you have no need, you should not buy this thing. Do I really need this? Do I really need this? Or is there another product which would you do the same things but is more sustainable? Or ask the questions. That means when you are going to buy something, you ask yourself if it really need or if you really do not need. Do you know how this item was made, how it will be used and how it will be disposed of? You should think how it will be used and after using how it will be disposed of. That means damaged of. Disposed, that means will be abolished of. কিভাবে এটা ব্যবহারের পর এটাকে সমাপ্ত করা যায়। Reuse. That means more use. And using after use, that means reuse. What do you think of using your own ceramic cup or mug at your school or local club? It means there are no plastic cups to throw away. When you use a cup or mug at your school or local club and at your home, you should think it will be ceramic or glass, and it will not be plastic, because after using these things you will throw away, and after throwing away it pollutes the environment. You can wash it and reuse it every day. After using it, you can wash it and it will then be used. Unfortunately, we are encouraged to buy a new improved item even if the one we have can be repaired or reused. My dear students, at the time of coronavirus pandemic, you will stay at home and read your textbook more and more, and I suggest you read attentively and stay at home and save yourself. Today, at the end of this class, I thank you very much.